What's up, y'all? Y'all want to see how I got this cute bun? Keep watching. So I'm starting on an old ponytail. I washed my hair yesterday and just put it in a ponytail for class. So I'm going to start by spraying water, oil, and conditioner on my hair because it's dry. And I'm just going to spray that all around. And I got like dry gel in there, so got to loosen that up a little bit. And it's hard for like water to absorb into my hair, so I gotta like really like smush that bit in my hair. So that's what y'all see me doing right here. So today I'm gonna use Got To Be Glue gel, the yellow kind. I usually use Eco Styler, but I wanted my bun to last for like a week at least, so I used the Got To Be because it makes it hard and it stays. So I just put that all around the perimeter of my hair, of my head, actually. And I'm going to take a hard bristle brush and I'm going to brush it in. And it was like caked up gel right there, so you know I had to smooth that out. Can't be walking with caked up gel on the side of your head. Give somebody something to say. So now I'm just going to see if my bun go lay flat, and it's not. So I'm just gonna put some more gel. Like, put as much gel as you need. If you want to use the whole tube of gel, you do that. More power to you. Put as much gel as you need for your bun to be sleek. Because you can't be thinking you all that with no frizzy bun. Period. Okay, so I'm using like an elastic band to do this bun. So I'm just gonna pull it as tight as possible. And this just helps my bun be tight, because if I try to do it with like a little scrunchie, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna have like lumps everywhere. So yeah, I just tucked the bottom of my ponytail into the scrunchie so it could look like a bun. You see? Like, I don't think I explained it good enough, but just pay close attention and ask me questions in the comments, and I'm gonna respond. I got y'all. Anything y'all wanna know, just ask. So now I'm just pinning the bun into place, making sure the elastic is gonna stay. And that light behind me is making it look like half of my bun is gone, but it's not, y'all. It's there. I promise it's there. My sun must have been on because I'm going off. Trying to show y'all my bun is really there. So this is how it's looking so far. Now I'm going to take the blow dryer, and on cool settings, every time you work with Got To Be glue gel, you want to use cool settings, because if you use heat, it's not really going to work. Like, you're going to be there all day trying to get your hair to dry. So you're going to use the cool setting. You're just going to dry it a little bit. You're not going to dry it 100%, but just dry it about 50%. Halfway. So now for my edges, I'm going to use the clear Got To Be glue gel. Now, I use the clear one on my edges because it's less harsh, and yeah, just it's less harsh. I say less harsh. So I sprayed some water on my toothbrush because, as you can see, my edges were already done, and I used Got To Be on them yesterday. So I had to loosen it up a little bit with some water so I could redo them. So you're going to take your gel, put it on your edges. You probably want to take a generous amount because I really want my edges to stay. So I'm going to put a lot. Like, I be walking on campus all the time, sweating. I need my edges to stay bun. So I'm just swooping it with the toothbrush. And to get my edges the shape I want them, I just swoop them with the toothbrush and then hold my finger at the top once I get the shape I want. And then put the other hair back into the ponytail. Now I'm gonna blow this dry on cool settings. I'm gonna blow my edges 100% dry, because like I said, I want them to stay. So with the Got To Be glue, you dry it with the blow dryer and you're set for like a week, literally. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. If you don't want baby hairs, you don't have to get baby hairs, but I like baby hairs. So I'm doing baby hairs. So yeah, just hold and swoop. No, swoop and hold. And gel the excess back into your bun. And do my little sideburns. And my face is really breaking out. I don't know what to do at this point. I'm gonna put some more gel to make that seamless. Now again, take my blow dryer on cool settings. Remember, on cool. And I'm just gonna blow that dry. Make sure you dry edges 100%. And then I had a little bit of white gel over there still, so I just took some water and brushed it with the toothbrush and blowed it on cool, and there, fixed the problem, magic. So now I'm gonna take this little scarf and I'm gonna tie up the back of my hair that I did with the yellow got to be glued gel. I'm not gonna do my edges. I'm not gonna tie my edges because I already blowed them dry. So they said I just gotta set the back 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so here go the finished look. I went to class, still holding it after all day. So like, comment, subscribe to me. Bye bye.